Okay, so the next lesson is meal patterns. Okay, so I want to play a game with you. I want you to sit down and I want you to think of this menu and what do you think of it, okay? So breakfast is cereal, orange juice, bagel, or just skip breakfast altogether. First snack, granola bar, crackers, sweets, fruit, or skip. Lunch is sandwich and a juice. Snack is a bar of chocolate, protein, bar. Dinner is meat, veg, carbs, and then snack is popcorn and ice cream. So I want you to have a little think about this and just analyze it for a few seconds, ask yourself some questions, and just remember what we've spoke about regarding sugar, protein, and all of those things, okay? So I want you to ask yourself as well if what you are doing today is getting you closer to where you want to be tomorrow. That is an important question. And while you are thinking about this slide, I want you to take that question into consideration. Okay, I want you to ask yourself, is there enough protein and nutrients in that menu? Greens, are they colorful? Is there too much processed food? How much fats are there? And is it good quality fat versus poor quality fat? And is there any water? What is it like in relation to your day? So can you relate to it? If any of those answers are yes, as in yes, there's enough protein, yes, there's enough nutrients, yes, there's greens, yes, there's color, then we're doing well. If the answer is yes to is there too much processed food, probably should change that. Is there much fats there? Yes or no? Is there any water? I mean, we can't include juice as water, okay? So I don't see, it doesn't mention it at all. So we just presume that there is none. And what is it in relation to your day? Look, we know there's not enough protein. It's too high in processed foods. There's not enough water. It's too much sugar. You're only having veg in one day, in one meal of your day. So if you answer, if it is in relation to your day, we need to make some changes. Okay, so and here's some changes that you can implement straight away. There are 5 habits, write them down. They're really easy to follow. So number 1, eat slowly. So it helps increase awareness. You're more likely to stop when you're full and you're less likely to overeat. Some of you may have heard, chew your food 30 times. And that is just so, you're going through the process of eating it, you're chewing it, you're not just wolfing it down, okay? Number 2, eat protein-dense food with each meal. So it helps you feel full. It also helps you recover, and it will limit you overeating, or it will help you to stop overeating. So eat veg with each meal. We told you that it's full of fiber. It fills you up. It also improves micronutrient intake, digestive health, but it helps you feel full. So save your carby meals for before and after exercise. It just helps control cravings, spikes, and it's a good source of energy. So you know that you're using the carbs to either recover or for energy for your workout. 5, then eat fats daily for hormone balance. They're a really good source of energy, especially if you have them first thing in the morning, and they help control craving. So they are 5 habits that you need to write down. Anytime you're kind of struggling, look back at them. Okay, so the first step that you need to make as well for changing these kind of meal patterns is track your food. Advice that we give is take photos, make it into a collage, write it down, and send it to your coach, either in like WhatsApp or an email or whatever. So just to make yourself accountable, sometimes just doing that, writing your food down or taking a picture, you can kind of look at it and go, whoa, because it's not so mindless anymore. You're mindful, you know what you're eating. So the coach will give you better alternatives to your favorite foods or things that you've kind of weaknesses for. So remember, balance is key. It's not all going to be chicken and broccoli, okay? So you can eat really good quality, tasty food, but it's just knowing, I suppose, how to prepare it, how to make it that healthier version of what you like. I put this in, it's from Precision Nutrition. You'll hear me kind of revert back to that a good bit. It's just a basic meal plan, but again, I would just take photos, okay? But the coaches will send you back info like this. And look, if you have any questions, you can just ask one of the coaches and get tracking your food straight away.